Hello everyone, today I will be showing you the project I created using LangChain and LangGraph. So the project is AI Power Research Agent. The problem is like this in today's age and environment, getting information from different sources in the internet and compiling them into a report can be a very tedious or time taking process if done manually. And creating the information from various sources, referencing different sources, and making it into a structured report can be a time taking process. And the solution is creating a agentic workflow using LangChain and LangGraph that classifies your query. If the query requires a research, then it will create a research plan and execute it for getting content from internet and various research papers, then compile them in a very structured report. So this is the solution architecture. You have user interface from Streamlit, and from that query will be given to the LangGraph workflow, which have this router which classify the query into three types. First one is general. It does not require any research and can be answered directly. Otherwise, it will create a research plan. And another thing is, if the query is very confusing or very short query, then the LLM or LangGraph will ask for more information from the user. After the research plan has been created, it will give the control to the agent, which will call the tools such as internet search and research paper fetching and get more information about your topic and create a report. Deliverables are Streamlit based UI, LangGraph agentic AI, and some research tools. This is the tech stack: LangChain, LangGraph, Grok API, and the LLM model is Llama 3.1, 8 billion. And these are the tools: Tavily search API and Archive Retriever. This is the front end using Streamlit and so on. Impact is reduce the manual research time and provide a reliable and structured report that combine the source from various sources. And these are the project screenshot. And now onto the project. So this is the UI of the project. You can ask questions. I have already asked some question like machine learning report on machine learning, and it gives very structured report from introduction, history, types of machine learning, and challenges and conclusion. Also ask on different things, and you can also ask it to fetch research papers, so it give information about it also. Now I will ask for some specific information like give names of. So it give the answer. So these are the author of the paper. Attention is all you need. It give very fast answer because I have already asked it to fetch the paper. So if the paper is already fetched, it will give the answer from there directly. So it does not. It also stores the memory, so it can give the same answer from already fetched content. So this is the simple answer you can also ask, or ask is to do research like this. And this is the code, which is a Python code. So here you have to define the agent state, and these are the prompts from the LLM, and this is the retrieve function that fetches the research paper, and this is the web search function for Tavily, and this is the main tool calling prompt, and these are the different nodes of the graph again, and this here the graph is defined, and this is the research, this is the graph. So and this is the Streamlit code, simple Streamlit code.